Welcome to this video on Paleozoic terrestrial life. By the end of this video, you will be able to identify major groups of Paleozoic terrestrial life and explain the adaptations that allowed them to colonize land. We will also describe ecological interactions and discuss their impact on terrestrial ecosystems. The Paleozoic era saw life emerging from the oceans and taking root on land, leading to the evolution of terrestrial ecosystems. This transition was possible thanks to key adaptations, including structural, physiological, and behavioral changes. This video explores this fascinating journey. Key concepts in Paleozoic terrestrial life include structural, physiological, and behavioral adaptations. We'll examine the evolution of plants from non-vascular to vascular and animals from invertebrates to vertebrates. We will also cover ecological interactions like predation and competition. Adaptations for life on land included developing sturdy skeletons for support and roots for stability and nutrient absorption. Physiologically, organisms transitioned from external to internal fertilization, and gills were replaced by lungs for gas exchange. Physiological adaptations were crucial for survival outside water. These included the ability to breathe air, internal fertilization for reproduction without water, protection against desiccation or drying out, and mechanisms for temperature regulation. Behavioral adaptations involved developing new forms of locomotion necessary for moving on land. These included walking legs, wings for flight, burrowing appendages, and new ways of swimming and hopping. In the Paleozoic era, plants transitioned from non-vascular to vascular. Non-vascular plants are simple and lack specialized tissues. Vascular plants possess xylem and phloem for efficient transport of water and nutrients, which allowed them to grow taller and diversify. Animal evolution saw the transition from invertebrates to vertebrates. The first land animals were invertebrates like arthropods, which adapted using exoskeletons. Vertebrates evolved from fish, with amphibians being the first land vertebrates, followed by reptiles. Ecological interactions are complex, with predation and competition being major factors. Predation drove the evolution of defense mechanisms, while competition led to resource partitioning and niche specialization. Co-evolution between predators and prey also occurred. To summarize, the Paleozoic era marked the emergence of terrestrial life. Key adaptations facilitated life on land. Plants and animals evolved, increasing complexity and diversification. Ecological interactions shaped evolution and drove diversity. Consider the major groups of Paleozoic terrestrial life and the adaptations that allowed them to colonize land. Think about how ecological interactions shaped the era, the difference between vascular and non-vascular plants, and the evolutionary steps from invertebrates to vertebrates.